Hello, adventure seekers. It's Jennifer, and I'm thrilled to be bringing you another episode packed with useful advice and eye-opening information. As lovers of the great outdoors, it's crucial we tread softly and respect the other furrier residents of the wilderness. Ready to be a wildlife-wise hiker? Let's dive right in. In our journey of hiking, we often share the trails with a plethora of creatures big and small. It's a humbling reminder that we are visitors in their home. So how do we make sure we're the best guests? Let's dive in. First and foremost, always remember to observe but never disturb. See that deer grazing over there? It's a beautiful sight, isn't it? But let's enjoy it from here, with a respectful distance. We're intruding on their personal space. A good pair of binoculars can be your best friend on a hike. It can be incredibly tempting to feed wildlife, like our little friend here. But remember, we could be doing them more harm than good. It disrupts their natural foraging habits and increases their risk of disease. It might seem like a friendly gesture, but it's best to resist. See this sign? It means this trail is temporarily closed due to wildlife activity. It could be nesting, migration, or something else. Always respect these restrictions. They're in place for our safety and to allow wildlife to continue their natural activities without disturbances. And always adopt a leave no trace approach. Carry out everything you bring in. That includes all trash, even biodegradable items like fruit peels. We are their guests, let's keep their home clean. And what if we cross paths with wildlife on the trail? Always keep your cool, give them space, and make your presence known in a calm, non-threatening manner. And in areas with larger wildlife like bears, it's smart to carry bear spray as a precaution. It's non-lethal but can stop an aggressive bear. We share these trails with their residents. Let's tread softly and respect their space. In the grand scheme of things, we're mere guests in this vast wilderness. Every creature, big or small, has an essential role to play in this ecosystem. As we walk their trails, let's ensure we do so with respect and humility. And remember, a good hiker leaves only footprints and takes only memories. Stay safe, and enjoy your journey. And that wraps up our episode on wildlife awareness. With a little knowledge and a lot of respect, we can ensure our hiking adventures are harmonious for us and the wildlife we cherish. Remember, in the wild, we're guests in their home. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jennifer's Travels for more insightful tips and tales from the trail. And be sure to check out our blog for more in-depth articles and resources. Until next time, let's tread softly and carry a big love for nature.